Are you missing out on investing in real estate because you think you need thousands of dollars to get started? Most people think getting into real estate means that they have to acquire a property to deal with the tenants, deal with toilets, and just all of the headache that sometimes comes with owning a property. But I want you to know that there's a simpler way, and I'm going to be breaking down in this video exactly what would happen if you invested $25,000 into a real estate project. I'm sure that you're wondering, okay, if I invest $25,000, where is that even gonna go? Well, working with an operator like myself, we specifically build industrial flex use space. So if you think about Amazon warehouses, we're 100,000 square feet and smaller. Or we also build climate controlled self-storage, but not the 3-story buildings that you typically see. We build the single story options, but they are also climate controlled. Now, the way that we do it, we don't want our investors or private money lenders to actually do anything other than lend their capital that they have and earn a great return. So what that means for you is no tenants and no toilets. Your money would go towards buying the land and building the property. I actually put together a free guide in the description that you can grab that actually breaks these type of deals down and how it all works and how you can get started. It breaks it down step by step so it actually makes sense. You can grab it in the description below. So now I'm sure you're probably wondering what is happening to your money while we're in the project and doing the development. Well, with us, you would actually receive updates monthly and towards the end of the month for what is happening in the project, whether if we're going through rezoning, if we're, laying asphalt, if we're putting up the tilt panels, the steel walls, doing the framing, all of that, you would receive communication on a monthly basis from me personally. And on top of that, you would also just see that the crews and subcontractors are out on the job site doing things. And sometimes it may not look like, transformational, especially when there's a huge difference from when a project is just going through the land clearing stage versus when walls are actually up and you can see a full project. But the team is working on the site daily, typically Monday through Friday. And what's also happening during this time is you're receiving payments back based on the terms that were set before you lent out your private capital, and especially with that $25,000. So you would actually receive quarterly payments from an operator like myself. Now, terms can vary just depending on who you're working with, but we like doing quarterly payments because it also gives people a little bit of instant gratification instead of waiting for the delayed gratification at the very end. And sometimes terms can vary from anywhere from 12 months to 18 months. Now, the next thing you're probably wondering is, how do you even make money doing this? Lending $25,000 and getting started in real estate, how does this even all work? So depending on any site-specific project and any operator that you choose to work with, you will receive a preferred return. Now, there are varying ways to structure deals, so just make sure you understand the terms of the deal that you're going into. With a preferred return, depending on the terms, that could be a set amount. Now, it could be that it's a monthly payment back to you, or it could be a quarterly payment back to you, or maybe you might not get payments at all until the very end. But just remember to always make sure you understand the deal that you're going into and the project that you're investing in, so that way you know if this is something you're able to do or not. Now, while a project is going on with us, as an example, we would pay you out quarterly. So pretty much every 90 days, you would receive a portion of your overall ROI, return on investment, during the project. An investment of $25,000, let's say you're earning a 20% annualized return, so that means over 12 months. From there, you would earn $5,000 over that 12 months. So every 90 days, you would receive a payment of $1,250 back to you, and that is the benefit for lending your money out to to operators like myself, you would receive a return based on your investment, also the project. And again, that was an example for you to just kind of have some context. And like I mentioned, you would receive your full investment of $25,000 back at the very end. Now, I know some operators do things a little differently, but when you're working with a company like myself, we pay you back no matter what. So whether if we would have to refinance the property, if we've already sold all of the units, because we have a build to sell model. So just depending, again, understanding that deal, the numbers and all of the details, that's what's going to be very important to you, and to know if you're going to have or accrue a loss, or if we can't say guaranteed, but for us, we operate in a way where we pay the bank off, our investors off, or private money lenders. So those words are transferable. And then we would not see any profit until the very end after everything's said and done. But I have to preface this because everyone does deals and business very differently, but this is the model that works best for us. Now, I hope that you can see how $25,000 can give you steady income over the course of 12 months and beyond, and that you don't have to deal with the tenants or the toilets. This is honestly just a simple hands-off way to get involved with real estate and be a part of more projects and developments. If you enjoyed watching today's video, check out my next video, which is how to understand real estate returns, simple breakdown. I'll catch you in the next video. My name is Yasha Wells, and I help everyday people earn double-digit returns backed by real estate. Bye.